This is our 2008 Grand Banks 52 Europa in impeccable condition both cosmetically and mechanically. A rare find in today's market. With low hours on the engines and generator, she's also had many other upgrades. The listing broker sold it to the last two owners, so he knows this beautiful vessel very well. No details were overlooked during her build, and she is outfitted with every convenience and option. And when you add that to the well thought out interior layout, you get a perfect boat for a cruising couple. She's powered by Caterpillar C7s, which provide effortless cruising from 8 to 12 knots, and if necessary, she's capable of 18. Plus, she is extremely comfortable underway even when the conditions are less than ideal, thanks to the Naiad Stabilizer. She has many more features, including bow and stern thrusters, Watermaker, and a chef's galley, so be sure to read the listing for all of the details and enjoy the walkthrough. This amazing Grand Banks 52 Europa has been designed for cruising to any port with a small crew and will not disappoint. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough, and as always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.